back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you take out your crochet braids. And it was pretty easy. It took about like 15-20 minutes total with taking it out and braiding and everything like that. So it doesn't take that long, but I will show you guys step by step how I took out my crochet braids, and I wash it and I just wear my hair naturally curly, still wet and everything like that after I washed it and everything like that. So if you guys want to know how you take out your crochet braids, let's get to this video. Hi you guys. So only thing you're gonna need is a pair of scissors. Any scissors will work. And I have my hair in a bun, so I had to take it out of the bun. It's been in for like, this hairstyle been in for a month, like this crochet. So it is about time for this to get taken out. Like yes, I have a whole lot of new growth. It is time. So when taking out your crochet braids, you want to get like a smaller section. And then you want to cut close to the braid. But make sure you don't cut your actual hair off or the braid. So about what you see, how the length of how I'm cutting it. Maybe a little closer, but that works too. So you want to put your finger inside, like close to the loop of the crochet. Put your finger inside of the loop of the crochet braid, and then you just want to pull the hair out of the loop from your braid. And you want to do this to all of them. Put your finger and pull the loop and pull the crochet braid out of your hair. And that's what you do for the whole entire hair. And you just cut and loop, pull the loop, put a loop, and then you put a loop, and that's it. So after you feel like all of them are gone, you feel in your hair, make sure you got them all. And even some that are still in there, it's okay, because you're gonna get it as you're taking out your actual braid, your real hair of braid. So it's gonna come out. It's just the weave. So what you do is, after you take out all the crochet loops, you want to go ahead and start taking out of the braids out of your hair. And then after you take the braids out, however you style it, if you wash it or if you leave the braids, the curly hair braids in, that's however your preference. Me personally, I basically wash and I leave my hair naturally curly, but I wash it after I take my hair out the braids. But it's up to you. And that's how you take out your crochet braids.